hundreds of thousands of marine animals die each year from ocean plastic. By 2050, there will be more plastic in the oceans than fish. Where does it all come from? The vast majority comes from Asian and African rivers. It comes from the communities and cities alongside these river systems. All ocean plastic starts right here, in the drains, in the ditches, in the canals. All of these are part of the water systems that carry plastic to the rivers. The rivers then carry this plastic out into the ocean. My name is Steve Norton. I am the founder of Prevent Ocean Plastic. To solve the ocean plastic epidemic, we've got to stop the problem at its source. We need your help. Prevent Ocean Plastic is hiring people from the communities along the river systems to build sustainable solutions. All sales go to fund these efforts. Together, we can beat this.